the chocolate. Another one on the belt.
Faster, faster, little workers!
I am so tired, Tim.
Me too. So my candies.
Whoops! Too fast! No time for clumsiness. Production! Production!
This is too much.
I agree, Lou.
Psst. Over here.
No more working for tiny candy pay.
A strike? Are we allowed? Yes! We must.
For better working conditions.
And more chocolate!
Here we go!
What do we want? More breaks! More chocolate!
A strike!
Impossible!
Oompa Lou, what is the meaning of this? Get back to work!
Not until we get our demands met.
Demands? What demands?
No candy today? For you, just one.
Fine, I'll do it myself. Now, how did those little guys do this? No, no, no! This is impossible! I can't do this!
Checkmate.
Oh, come on! My morning coffee isn't the same without a chocolate square. Oh dear, this is getting serious. Think, McSweet, think. what to do. Get me the Oompa Loompa leader, now!
Ah, Oompa Lou, do come in.
Ahem! Perhaps a bonus candy? For returning to work?
We have our own demands, Mayor.
Chocolate river slide? Preposterous!
It is a fair demand.
Fair treats, more breaks, chocolate slides.
Oh, for the love of candy.
All right. Let's discuss more break time.
But an extra 5 minutes?
Every minute counts. Delivery for Candy Factory!
No entry! We're on strike! Oh, the supplies! This is a disaster!
Where are our gummy sharks?
I'm so hungry for candy! And the chocolate river slide is for morale, Mayor.
All right, Oompa Lou. You win!
Deal! It's a deal!
Hooray for breaks! Hooray for slides! Good news, everyone! Candy production will resume!
Yay! Candy!
Let's make some sweet, sweet candy! It works! The morale booster! Woo!
Perfect! Everyone will see.
Best perk ever!
All right, I admit, it's quite charming.
Perfect! The sweetest batch yet!
This is much better.
One fresh candy, just for you! Yummy!
The chocolate is back!
Hooray for Oompa Loompas!
for break.
Got it! My turn.
Peace and chocolate.